What's up, YouTube? It's Big Ace Films here. Hey, so I'm trying to figure out how to replace the knob in the shower. It turns the water on, right? Sounds simple. Typically, you're supposed to be able to take off the cap, and there's a screw in there, and you can unscrew it, and then all of a sudden, the whole knob should be able to come out. Well, I've got that same exact setup, but the only problem is the screw's not wanting to come out. So I'm going to show you guys what's going on. If any of you guys can help me out, comment down below, see if you can help me out with this. Alright, so like I said, it's a normal shower knob, and the cover's already off of it right here, as you can see. But the entire shower knob is loose. That being said, somebody's already tried to screw this sucker, and it can pull out, but when I push it back in, the screw stays out. So with that being said, I need to replace this entire handle. But when I go to unscrew this, I unscrew it, no progress, nothing happens. Typically it's supposed to come out, but this one does not come out. I know there's a cartridge behind there. I don't know what exactly to do. So part of me wants to go ahead and grind the head of the screw off that's holding it in place, go ahead and take the knob off, and then try to get the screw out the rest of the way. I don't know if that's gonna work. You guys tell me. I'm not the expert here, you guys probably are. I can replace certain stuff, but not everything specific.